The point in the immersed body through which the resultant pressure of the liquid may be taken to act is known as option A center of gravity, option B center of buoyancy, option C center of pressure, option D metacenter. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is center of pressure. When a body is immersed in a liquid, so the resultant pressure is act at the center of pressure. A rectangular block 2 meter long, 1 meter wide and 1 meter deep floats in water. The depth of immersion being 0.5 meter. If the weight 10 kilo, if the water weighs 10 kilonewton per meter cube, then the weight of the block is option A 5 kilonewton, option B 10 kilonewton, option C 15 kilonewton, option D 20 kilonewton. So from the Archimedes principle, that is the weight of block W is equals to Fb, that is bound force, and the bound force is given by Fb is equals to gamma LBH. That is gamma is given to be this unit weight of water 10 kilonewton per meter cube. 10 into length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter and deep is 0.5. It is immersed. We do not take 1 meter full length. We only take the depth which is immersed in water, that is 0.5. So the answer Fv, that is bound force, comes out to be 10 kilonewton. Hence W is equals to Fv is equals to 10 kilonewton. So the weight of the block is 10 kilonewton. That is option B. The horizontal component of force on a curved surface is equals to the option A product of pressure intensity at its centroid and area, option B force on a vertical projection of the curved surface, option C weight of the liquid vertically above the curved surface, option D force on the horizontal projection of the curved surface. So the correct option of this question is option B, that is force on a vertical projection of the curved surface. The horizontal component of a force on a curved surface is equals to the force on a vertical projection. Keep this in mind, that is vertical projection. Vertical projection of the curved surface. So option B is correct for this question. Granite is mainly composed of option A quartz, option B feldspar, option C mica, option D all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option D, all of the above. Generally, granite is an igneous rock that predominantly contains quartz, feldspar and mica, all the three which contribute to its strength and durability. So the correct option of this question is option D, that is all of the above. Slate is formed by metamorphic action on option A shale, option B granite, option C limestone, option D sandstone. The correct answer of this question is option A, that is shale. The slate is formed by the metamorphic action on shale. We know slate originates from shale undergoing metamorphism, causing the clay minerals in shale to realign and form foliated layers. So the correct option of this option is option A, that is shale. Sandstone is classified as a option A igneous rocks, option B sedimentary rocks, option C metamorphic rocks, option D artificial stone. So the correct option of this question is option B, that is sedimentary rocks. Option B is correct. As we all know, sandstone forms from the compression of sand and minerals particles, making it a classic sedimentary rock. So the correct option of this question is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. Marble is a option A artificial stone, option B igneous rock, option C metamorphic rock, option D sedimentary rock. So the correct option of this question is option C, that is metamorphic rock. Marble is a metamorphic rock. Marble is produced when limestone undergo high temperature and pressure, transforming into a harder crystalline rocks called the marble. So the correct option of this question is option C, metamorphic rock. Which brick bond is considered strongest? Option A, English bond. Option B, Flemish bond. Option C, Stretcher bond. Option D, Header bond. The correct option of this question is option A, that is English bond. English bond is considered as the strongest bond because in English bond we have alternate courses of stretcher and header bond. That is, in one course we provide stretcher, and in next course we provide header, like this. To break the alignment, we put a Q enclosure uh, in first position of header course. So this alternate pattern creates a very strong and stable ball, which is suitable for load bearing structure. A good building stone should not absorb water more than option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 5%. A good building stone should not absorb water more than 5%. For durability and strength, in construction, a stone must have low water absorption. So generally, it for good building stone, it is kept below 5% to avoid weakening and weathering. So the correct option of this question is option A, that is 5%.